Kia ora, my name is Holly. Welcome to my plant-filled tiny home. When finding the right plant for your house, there's lots to consider. There's natural lighting, temperature, and airflow. Let's have a look at some plants and their needs. Our living areas are usually light, warm, and airy, making them perfect for plants such as peace lilies. Keep them out of direct light, and they're super easy to take care of. The same goes for monstera and philodendron. They don't even mind a dark corner. Water when dry, and they'll be happy. I'm new to begonia, but I am loving them. They are a spectacle to behold. Don't let them dry out, but don't let them have wet feet either. Oh, and none of these plants like beating sun on their leaves. I'm obsessed with anthuriums. They don't like it if your house is super dry, but they're honestly really tolerant. They're so easy care that they make the perfect housewarming gift, especially this variety here. Ripsalis will thrive in your lounge. Give them some filtered light and they'll even flower for you. In your kitchen, make sure that you don't place any plants above your hob, oven, or air fryer. Hoya are really hardy and do really well in the kitchen, I find. Bathrooms tend to be darker and more humid. We spend less time in here, so the plants need to be able to look after themselves. This heartleaf philodendron is perfect, super easy care and beautiful. Peperomia do really well too. Your Ripsalis probably won't flower in here, but it still looks great. Don't forget to adjust your watering to the different room conditions, and don't forget every plant needs a good feed. Have fun filling your house with little pockets of green joy. Bye!